Hey, what's up everyone? I'm about to show you how you can use DeepSeek, the game-changing platform, to unlock this amazing potential. And the best part? You can start for free, no strings attached. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to take action and start making money online like a pro. So, let's dive right in. What is DeepSeek? Before we get into how you can start earning $240 an hour, let's first talk about DeepSeek. If you're new to this platform, let me explain what it's all about. DeepSeek is an innovative online tool that leverages the power of artificial intelligence and data analytics to help businesses, entrepreneurs, and content creators make more informed decisions. It's designed to find profitable niches, track market trends, and even discover the most engaging keywords for SEO. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a blog, or offering digital services, DeepSeek can help you optimize your online presence and drive sales like never before. So, how does this translate to earning money online? Well, it's simple. DeepSeek isn't just a tool for businesses. It's a powerful platform that anyone can use to generate income. From researching lucrative business ideas to analyzing market trends, DeepSeek gives you everything you need to build a sustainable online income stream. Now, you might be wondering how you can earn $240 an hour with DeepSeek. We'll cover that shortly, but first, let's go over how to get started and what you need to know before you dive in. Setting up your DeepSeek account. Setting up your DeepSeek account is incredibly easy. And the best part is that it's completely free. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to invest a dime to start making money with DeepSeek. Here's how to get started. First, head over to the DeepSeek website. The sign-up process is super simple. Just enter your name, email address, and create a password. After that, you'll get access to your free account and a dashboard full of tools that will help you earn money online. Now, you might have some questions like, do I need to have experience or knowledge of data analytics? And my answer is no. DeepSeek is user-friendly and it's designed so that even beginners can quickly get the hang of it. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, you'll be able to start right away. Once you're logged in, the dashboard will give you an overview of the most recent market trends, trending keywords, and niche ideas. From here, you can start identifying the best opportunities to earn money online. How DeepSeek helps you find profitable niches. Now, let's talk about how DeepSeek helps you discover profitable niches, one of the most essential elements of making money online. Whether you want to start an online business, create content, or even offer a service, finding the right niche is key to earning substantial income. DeepSeek's AI-powered tool scans thousands of online sources, including search engines, social media platforms, and market research databases to find high-demand niches that have little competition. The platform then ranks these niches based on profitability and ease of entry. Imagine you're interested in starting an online store. You could use DeepSeek to discover a niche that has high demand but is currently underserved. For example, let's say you find a niche in eco-friendly products. DeepSeek can show you how much search volume this niche gets, what the competition looks like, and even suggest the best keywords to target. Finding a profitable niche is step one in making money online, and DeepSeek gives you the exact data you need to make the right decision. The platform helps you spot trends early, which means you can capitalize on them before the market becomes saturated. Now, that's a huge advantage. Next, let's talk about SEO and content creation. Two powerful ways to earn money online using DeepSeek. If you're a blogger, YouTuber, or someone looking to create digital content, SEO is everything. Without it, your content won't get discovered, and you won't make any money. DeepSeek's keyword analysis tool is a game changer when it comes to SEO. It helps you find high-ranking keywords that people are searching for, but with less competition. For example, you might want to start a blog about fitness, but there's already a ton of competition. With DeepSeek, you can find long-tail keywords related to fitness that people are searching for, but no one is targeting. This gives you the chance to rank high on search engines and drive organic traffic to your blog. Okay, now we're getting to the good part. How you can actually start making $240 an hour with DeepSeek. The key here is monetizing your research. So let's break down some of the best ways you can turn your newfound knowledge into a money-making machine. 1. Affiliate marketing. DeepSeek can help you find the best products to promote. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or even an Instagram account, you can use the platform to research top-performing affiliate products. By promoting products that are already in demand, you can earn commissions with every sale made through your referral link. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing can easily generate you $240 an hour, especially if you focus on high-ticket items. 2. Create and sell digital products. Another way to monetize your DeepSeek research is by creating your own digital products, like ebooks, courses, or printables. DeepSeek helps you identify trending topics and profitable niches that people are actively searching for. Once you have your product, you can sell it through platforms like Etsy, Udemy, or your own website. With the right marketing, this can become a lucrative income stream. 3. Freelance services. If you're skilled in SEO, content writing, or social media management, you can offer freelance services based on your DeepSeek research. DeepSeek gives you a unique advantage by providing you with up-to-date data on what businesses and content creators are looking for. This insight allows you to position yourself as an expert in a specific niche and command higher rates for your services. 4. Ad revenue and sponsored content. If you have a blog or YouTube channel, you can use DeepSeek to optimize your content for ad revenue. By targeting the right keywords and creating content that aligns with high-traffic niches, you can increase your audience and attract sponsors. Sponsored content is another fantastic way to earn money, as companies are always looking for influencers to promote their products. As you can see, DeepSeek offers a wealth of opportunities to monetize your research. With a combination of affiliate marketing, digital product creation, freelance work, and ad revenue, you can easily scale your income to $240 per hour, or even more. Scaling your income with DeepSeek. 5 minutes. Once you've started earning, it's time to scale. The best part about DeepSeek is that it allows you to grow your income over time. By consistently researching new niches, optimizing your content, and diversifying your income streams, you can steadily increase your earnings. One key strategy for scaling is automation. DeepSeek helps you automate much of your research and SEO tasks. For example, you can set up alerts for specific keywords or trends so you're always in the loop. This means less time spent on manual tasks and more time focused on creating valuable content or expanding your business. Another way to scale is by outsourcing. Once you've built a solid income stream, you can hire other freelancers or outsource tasks like content creation or social media management. This will free up your time so you can focus on higher level activities like launching new products or expanding to other platforms. Scaling with DeepSeek is all about working smarter, not harder, and the platform gives you all the tools you need to do just that. All right, folks, there you have it. How you can earn $240 an hour with DeepSeek, starting for free in 2025. As you can see, the potential is huge, and with the right strategy, you can build a sustainable online income that pays the bills and then some. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced online entrepreneur, DeepSeek has the tools you need to succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for DeepSeek today, start exploring profitable niches, and start making money online like never before. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips and strategies on making money online, and let me know in the comments how DeepSeek has helped you. Until next time, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.